Alright, so if you've got multiple PDF files and want to combine them into one clean document, yeah, that's super easy now. Using Smallpdf, you can merge PDFs online without installing anything. So in 2026, let's go step by step and do it quickly. First, open your browser and go to the Smallpdf website. You'll see different tools for managing PDF files. Now click on Merge PDF. This tool lets you combine multiple files into one document. Next, upload all the PDF files you want to merge. You can drag and drop them or select from your device. Now arrange the files in the correct order. Just drag and place them the way you want them to appear. You may see options like Standard Merge or File Mode. Choose the one that fits your needs. Now click Merge and wait a few seconds. Smallpdf will combine everything into one file. Once it's ready, download your merged PDF file. Everything will now be in one document. Open the file and check the pages. Make sure everything is in the right order. So yeah, that's how to merge PDF files online using Smallpdf in 2026. Quick, simple, and no software needed at all.